Hi, my name is Dr. Olubukola Akoni. Welcome to the Diary of Adolescent Soul. My topic today is Be a brain minder and parent without anger. I know that parenting stress happens. You worry about your child or the behavior shown by your child. I also understand that knowing what to do when children trigger anger in parents is not easy. When you feel the child behavior is defiance with conduct disorder, lying, inconsiderate, ungrateful, disrespectful, impulsive, or temperamental. Whatever your feelings are, it is better to understand your children and try to help them with love and correction rather than allowing the anger to get the best of you. It is important to get this. Any issue that drives you to anger in your parenting has its roots in your childhood. It is okay. Everyone has had their own childhood experience in some way. Anger builds up, sparks, explode, and has consequences. Anger can build up through nature. That means it is genetic. Through your attachment style, unresolved past experiences, stress, fatigue, anxiety, worry, sadness, guilt, feeling of inadequacy or intolerance. Parents with an upbringing of insecure attachment style are vulnerable to anger arousal because of their lower level of trust. Negative feelings affect their sense of self and they are prone to feeling emotionally threatened. When the anger is building up, pause and ask yourself, what am I feeling? What is causing this feeling? Without pausing and caution, before you know it, the spark of anger will activate your amygdala. Then your amygdala will activate the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus has many functions. It is the busiest part of the brain in charge of releasing several hormones and sending instructions to the body. As you become angry, your muscle tenses up. At the same time, your heart rate accelerates, your blood pressure rises, your attention narrows and becomes locked. You can't pay attention to anything else. Explosions happen through yelling, labeling, verbal abuse, and intense spanking. And the consequences of anger can lead the child to become aggressive by what you mirror and model. Also, getting used to your repeated anger can make him vulnerable to negative influence. It can also cause the child to be timid, anxious, and avoidant, which are the insecure attachment through your nurturing. Another consequences of anger is that it causes memory lapse and allows the neurotransmitters involved in anger to destroy part of the neurons in the hippocampus, preventing the growth of new neurons. Its impact on the heart cannot be overlooked. Anger is harmful. As parents, we need to get control over anger by learning ways to help our prefrontal cortex take control of our amygdala and then have control over how we react to the feelings of anger. Anger can sometimes be anxiety fueled. Don't react in the heat of the moment. Perform some relaxation techniques. Make use of cognitive control techniques and practice self-regulation. Once you learn how to get better control over your anxiety, anger level will reduce. Try to make logical decisions rather than emotional ones. Limit the expression of anger and don't discipline past a certain level. If you are angry at your child, it is best to handle it when you are in a state of calm. Try to avoid making threats while angry. Your thoughts, emotions, and actions matter to your children. Remember, your neurons are projecting and their brains are mirroring. Your words matters. You are an example for your child to follow. Never use negative statements when you are angry. This may send the wrong message to your children. Commit to no verbal abuse, no swearing, no yelling. Develop a conflict resolution skill. Look for teachable moments. But don't forget that teachable moments only work when children are ready to learn, and they cannot learn when you are hungry. Effective communication is important. Think about your verbal and non-verbal cues. Be empathic, patient, and open to listening to them. In conclusion, children, especially adolescents, go through struggles as well. Figure out what is going on and respond appropriately. In case you have serious anger issues and you have a tough time keeping your anger under control, don't sweep it under the carpet. Identify what triggers the emotions of anger, work on it, and seek anger management therapy. Get to know the root cause. There could be more to that anger. It is helpful when you see a professional to gain insight and develop skills to manage and control the anger. Be the master and challenge any angry thoughts. Seek understanding of your emotions. Transform your behavior and amplify your life. In doing this, you are minding your own and your children's mental health. Be the brain minder and parent without anger. Till I come your way again next time, remember to be intentional. Parenting is a hard work. God bless you.